Welcome back, workshop enthusiasts. We're trustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, two embroidery machine brands will be going head-to-head. We have the Singer embroidery machine and the Brother embroidery machine. Hand embroidery is impressive and enjoyable, but it necessitates a great deal of effort and planning. This is where a sewing and embroidery machine comes in handy. You can create an incredibly beautiful design in just a few minutes and give your sewing projects a whole new dimension. You can also personalize, embellish, and decorate virtually any fabric. Some of the best embroidery machines also have regular sewing capabilities, so you can get the best of both worlds. In today's Brand Wars, we've chosen the top two competitors in our embroidery machine review: the Singer embroidery machine and the Brother embroidery machine, both of which have earned 4 badges from our experts at TrustedShoppingGuide.com. We pitted these two embroidery machines against each other so you can choose the best one for you. If you're interested in the other embroidery machines that we reviewed, do check out our embroidery machine review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the Brand Wars. The first category that these embroidery machines will be going toe-to-toe with is their speed. If you're running on various fabrics, you'll need varying speeds. In general, the higher the speed of the machine, the more strain there will be in the machine, increasing the chance of puckering. The Singer embroidery machine has a maximum sewing speed of 850 stitches per minute, so projects can be sewn quickly. Contrastingly, the Brother embroidery machine has a decent speed of 850 stitches per minute, which you can control by pressing the pedal. If you're a commercial embroiderer, you're probably concerned about the time it takes because time is money, and the faster you can remove that cap from the machine and replace it with another, the more products you'll make. Since both options have the same stitches per minute, we've chosen to award a point to each of them in this category. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their ease of use. The ease of use of a home embroidery machine is the next most important factor to consider when purchasing one. You need to take a look at the machine's control panel and buttons first. What method will you use to choose fonts, designs, and borders? What is the procedure for stitching a design? What is the operation for adding more designs? Is it easy to follow the sequences and menus? Is it easy to locate the functions? What kind of assistance can the machine provide if you're stuck on something? Are the messages written in plain English, or do they contain a slew of geeky terms? Make sure you know the answers to all of these questions and only choose a machine once you're satisfied. The Singer embroidery machine features a useful digital information advisor and an electronic autopilot that pinpoint areas where something went wrong during your session and shows you which feet you need for the stitch you're working on. The feet are labeled with letters or numbers, making it easy to locate and attach them. The machine's mechanics are also easy to understand, especially the automatic needle threader and top drop-in bobbin. Meanwhile, Brother is just as easy to set up as it's to use. You just need to ensure that the light is turned on after threading everything, and then place the fabric under the presser foot. After that, use the foot pedal after moving the presser foot to the down position. The faster you apply pressure, the faster the machine will complete your project. So whether you're a novice sewer or have years of experience under your belt, you can expect a short learning curve with Brother. Who wouldn't want an embroidery machine that's easy to set up, use, and maintain, especially if you're a beginner? Having said that, it's obvious that the point goes to Singer. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their embroidery stitches. To fully comprehend how embroidery machines work, you must consider the different embroidery stitches. The movement of the embroidery needle determines the embroidery stitches or patterns, so if you would want to create unique, beautiful products, this is the category that you should focus on. Perhaps the most appealing feature of the Singer embroidery machine is the large number of custom stitches that are waiting to be discovered. There are a total of 600 unique stitches, including 13 fully automatic one-step buttonholes and 4 calligraphic styles. There's also a chart printed on the machine's upper lid that allows you to browse all of the stitches at once before deciding which one is best for your project. On the other hand, the Brother embroidery machine comes with 37 different stitches, which is more than enough for most everyday projects. Whether you're sewing the hem of your pants, reattaching a button, or tackling more complicated projects like making a quilt, you'll find the exact stitch you need. The stitches range from straight to zigzag to satin. Having a lot of stitches that it provides, it's no doubt that the Singer embroidery machine wins this round. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their bobbin. The bobbin is another feature to keep an eye out for. It's especially useful when embroidering lightweight fabrics or using bobbin thread for machine embroidery. Singer has an easy top drop-in bobbin system that's easy to operate. The clear plate makes it even more user-friendly by allowing you to easily see how much thread is left. Contrastingly, Brother comes with a top-loading bobbin. The bobbin compartment is placed near the needle plate instead of hidden underneath it. After threading the bobbin, you just need to place it in the compartment, allow the thread's tail end to protrude, and close it. The thread for the needle will pull the bobbin up and into place as you turn the manual dial. Being the one who has a great bobbin system, easy to use, and is very user-friendly, it's no doubt that the team gave Singer a point in this category. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their automatic thread cutting feature. The last feature that you need to look for when buying an embroidery machine is the automatic thread cutting feature. This works by automatically cutting the thread after the machine has finished embroidering a specific color and prompting you to change the thread. While the number of features on the Singer embroidery machine may be overwhelming to beginners, the mechanics are in place to make it a very easy machine to master, starting with the automatic needle threader. Singer claims that threading the entire machine from the spool to the eye of the needle takes only 6 seconds. There's also an automatic thread cutter for extra efficiency too. On the contrary, the Brother embroidery machine comes with an automatic needle threader that makes threading the needle on the machine a breeze without straining your eyes or becoming frustrated when the thread won't go through. To use it, lower the presser foot lever and ensure the manual dial is locked in place. Then, as the needle threader lever is being lowered, hook the thread onto the guide and pull the lever down, turning it away from you. The hook will go through the needle's eye, pull the thread loop through the needle, and that's it. Both products come up with an automatic thread cutting feature that'll help you cut the thread easily and quickly. As a result, we've chosen to award a point to each of the 2 products in this category. Our brand wars between the Singer embroidery machine and the Brother embroidery machine has come to an end. With 5 points to Brother's 2 points, the Singer embroidery machine is definitely the winner. There can only be one embroidery machine monarch, and Singer has ascended to the throne as the best embroidery machine in this battle. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Singer embroidery machine and the Brother embroidery machine has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next embroidery machine face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.